This battery costs $3. In an office mouse, it lasts 5 years. In a gaming mouse, it dies in 6 months. Same battery. Here's what happens at the factory. Same factory worker installs the same battery in both mice, but one gets programmed differently. Let me show you exactly how. Wireless mice get built here. Same production line makes office mice and gaming mice. Everything starts with identical part. First step, battery installation. Every mouse gets the same Panasonic battery. Same worker, same technique, same result. Next, basic circuit connection. Power flows from battery to mouse, exactly the same way in every product. Here's where it gets interesting. Programming station. Same mouse hardware, but different software instructions. Gaming mouse programming? Check for movement 1,000 times per second. Keep lights on constantly. Check for connection every few milliseconds. Office mouse programming? Check for movement 125 times per second. No lights. Check for connection every half second. Same worker programs both types. Gaming settings use 8 times more power than office settings. Same battery, different instructions. Battery life testing. Gaming mouse, 6 months verified. Office mouse, 5 years verified. Same $3 battery in both. Quality control station shows both programming options available. Same testing equipment validates gaming performance settings and office efficiency settings. Final assembly. Identical mice with identical batteries get different labels: gaming performance and office efficiency. Engineering documents show all mice could run 5 years with conservative programming. Gaming features only need 10% of current power usage. So the factory can make long-lasting gaming mice, but gaming mice are programmed for different priorities. Why program gaming mice to use more power? Office mouse users forget their mouse exists for years. Gaming mouse users know their battery's birthday. Dead battery means customer thinks about upgrading. Production planning screens show different specifications for identical hardware. Professional esports players use wired mice specifically to avoid battery issues during competition. They prioritize reliability over wireless convenience. Final packaging line separates identical mice into different product categories. Same mouse, different firmware, different labels. Manufacturing cost. Gaming programming costs nothing extra. Customer experience. Gaming users replace batteries 10 times more often. Same battery, same factory. Different programming creates different relationships with your mouse. Are you buying performance or replacing batteries?